Hi, this is Chris from needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to share with you this little project that I made. It's a crocheted pencil pouch or a little bag. It has a snap on it, and it's got a pretty dragonfly motif on here, if you can see that. It's also lined with the with some fabric. This is the back side of the fabric, and the purpose of the lining is to show through to highlight the dragonfly pattern on the front. And I also used a cam snap to hold it closed. So the lining is sewn in with the sewing machine. I just made a simple lining by cutting a piece the same size as this bag was, and then I sewed up the side. I folded it up, sewed the sides to finish the inside, and then I slid it in there, and I just sewed around the outside. Another option for lining this bag, you could even make a lining out of like duct tape and put it in here. The crochet pattern for this bag was provided for free by Darn Good Yarn Company. If you would like to see more photos of this project and a link to where to get the free pattern, please click the iCard or the link in the description of the video to go to our website, needlepointers.com, where you can find those links and more pictures. If you like this project, pin it on Pinterest so that you can save it for a future time. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other crochet projects and tutorials.